Every career has its ups and downs, and there are times that you may feel that you want to intervene, to take action and give it a boost. How do you decide when it's time for reinvention? How do you know what you want to reinvent into? And most importantly, how do you actually get it done? What are the steps that you take to enact a successful reinvention? In this program, I'll help you develop a career that builds on your unique passions, enables you to assess your strengths and talents, create a compelling personal brand, and ensure that others see the contribution that you can make. I'll show you how to think big about your professional goals, take control of your career, build the reputation you want, and live the life and career you desire.